The BJP clearly is betting on the Modi wave once again after the big victory in Maharashtra and Haryana. And this time around, the target is indeed Delhi. The Saffron Party today informed the Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung that it is not in a position or even remotely interested to form government in the capital state. The BJP's position follows a similar stance taken by the Aam Aadmi Party and also the Congress, which have been demanding fresh polls to break the deadlock.
Delhi polls are crucial to Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party, which stormed to power earlier this year with support from the Congress. Its very existence will be threatened if the party fails to make an impact this time around. The Congress, on the other hand, will be hoping to better its performance after the drubbing in the last polls. But the biggest test is for the BJP. A win will come as a big boost for Modi and will further strengthen his grip over the party.
Fresh from the roaring success of state elections, the Modi and the Shah duo now want to go for the kill in Delhi. And it looks like the stage is all set for the mother of all battles, the battle for the capital city. Especially after Lieutenant Governor, who met all political parties and found that no one is interested in forming the next government. Elections are now imminent. Delhi has been under President's rule for the last 8 months after Arvind Kejriwal quit as Chief Minister when the Assembly failed to pass the Lokpal Bill. BJP is 5 short of a majority in Delhi with 29 MLAs, but experts insist Modi and Shah favour fresh elections in February, instead of the cobbling together a majority and earning brickbats of horse trading. Electoral success in Haryana and Maharashtra have given the party hope of a clean majority in the 70-member state assembly.
एक व्यवहारिक दृष्टि से कोई बहुमत की स्थिति नहीं बन रही तो हम सरकार बनाने का प्रयास नहीं करेंगे। भाजपा विजय के प्रति पूर्णतः आश्वस्त होकर किसी भी परिस्थिति में आने के लिए तैयार है।
Arvind Kejriwal, who scripted a new history in Indian polity by winning 28 seats, asserts his Aam Aadmi Party will perform well.
हमारा स्टैंड वही है जो 8 महीने पहले था कि हम चाहते हैं दिल्ली की विधानसभा भंग कर दी जाए। बाकी पार्टी भी सरकार बनाने के पक्ष में नहीं है। कांग्रेस के लोग भी बता गए हैं कि वो विधानसभा भंग कराने के पक्ष में है, फ्रेश इलेक्शन चाहते हैं।
While the Congress, which is battling internal rebellion and has not recovered from the drubbing in both Haryana and Maharashtra, hopes to put up a strong fight too, to improve its tally of 8 seats.
Congress party wants that assembly be dissolved with immediate effect and fresh election be announced.
After meeting all political parties, Najib Jung is likely to recommend dissolution of the assembly, and the cabinet will put its stamp of approval on that. He also needs to inform the Supreme Court, which has been scathing about no government in Delhi, that none can be formed. The national capital, which often decides the course of Indian polity, is without a government even 9 months after Kejriwal quit, after being in office for 49 days. The time to decide the destiny of Delhi has finally arrived. But looks like there is no way out other than addressing the battle for ballot. Bureau Report, ET Now, New Delhi.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.